Hello. Before I begin, let's check if the recording in the streaming is okay. Perfect. This is perfect. So yeah, we're back in business. Hello once again. I'm here on my old MacBook Pro 2012, running of course Void Linux glibc or glibc version, not the muzzle or muzzle or however you pronounce these things. And in the past few videos I have been showing you how to customize your own Void Linux, and actually how I did it for my own machine. Anyway, just like all the other times, today too I'm streaming and recording locally. Once again, streaming in Kick service. And I have already prepared a few things. Today we're going to take over the scripts that I have been saying all this time that I'm using in order to have like macOS like Exposé, or for example like this. I have the keybind set and I can jump between apps like this, or by doing the mouse hot corner as we say, okay, and of course some few extra other options like taking a screenshot and so on. But anyway, how did I do it? This first command is very important in this part, very important. So using this sudo command, you will install all the necessary tools for these scripts that I'm about to show you today, and it's good to have them for other things as well that may turn up needing down the road. Anyway, I will clear this now, and the first one is the first four things are like the auto starts for the scripts. Every time the Void Linux session will start, if you do these things correctly, your scripts will auto run without you having to do anything. So this is very important. I already have it, of course. If I will go here on my home folder, I already have this .config and this auto start, and I have everything set in place for my machine, for my own machine. So we'll do this for your own machines as well. The first command is this. Basically, we need to create this folder if you don't already have it in your computer, in your Void Linux installation. Next, we'll have to use nano, for example, text editor basically, to create this workspace OCD file. Basically, this workspace, the script for workspace, is when I switch workspaces on the top right corner, I get this visual pop-up saying on which workspace I am in at the moment. And I'm using 4 workspaces, so that will be 1 out of 4 or 4 out of 4, for example. Anyway, after you will create this nano, using the nano editor, the file, the workspace OCD file, you have to place inside the file these things. Remember, you don't have to stress, you can pause anytime the video and just copy paste manually these commands, or just wait for the video down the road that I will have everything ready for you. You will not have to do anything really. So anyway, I will stop now. So after you will use the nano command and you will paste these things or type these things, you just have to do Control O, press the Enter key or Return key, as they call it some other people, and Control X to be done with it. Then onto the next one, the layout. This one will start creating this file, layout OCD, and in this file you will have to enter these commands. So yeah, this one is basically when you are switching your keyboard layout. I have Swedish and English. You get this little pop-up on the top right corner. If you have more keyboards, you can customize it for more keyboard layouts, or just let it work itself, which most probably, more often than not, it will work fine, but just so you know, maybe you will need to customize it further. Anyway, after you will paste, or once again, sorry, my bad, not paste, type these commands inside that file, Control O, Enter X, Control X. And on to the next, the hot corner file. This one is basically the hot corners Exposé style with a mouse. When you move your mouse to the top right corner, bottom right corner, left bottom corner, top left corner, you will get different actions depending on the script that I have done myself, and you can customize yourself further. Anyway, these files will have these things inside for the auto start trick in order to work. These, and I'll prepare the next one. This one is basically needed both for the Exposé trick but on the keybind as well. So this next one is this file, and it most probably you will need it for both the hot corners and the keybind. So these are the things that you should have inside the file. And just like the other times, Control O, Enter key, Control X. It's very easy. You can have your own editor and do it via the GUI, but I mean, like, why? Just do these things in the terminal. It goes much faster, trust me. If you know what you're doing, of course. Now this one is going to be a tricky part. This is the actual script for the workspaces trick to work. So you have to do this file, create this file. This one, it will create a file inside your home folder on your bins. Most probably this folder you need to create yourself. So like I showed you before with the auto start folder, you will need to create this folder, but just change the names basically. Anyway, in this file, let me go back at it. Yeah, this is kinda a biggie. It's the script, so of course it will be a big paste, but let me find it, all of it. So in order to show you this, I will maximize my window now. It's this one. This is what you should be having inside the workspace OCD file, the script, okay? And after you will do this, as always, Control O, it's blocked, so I have to do this, like, let me try this one. No, I have to do this always. No. Let me do it this one quickly. Almost done, I think. Nah, this is taking too long. it doesn't work? Strange. It's like it goes to start or something, and yeah. Okay, let me do this thing. Let me open a new terminal tab and be done with it. No need to waste any more time. Sorry for this mix-up. On to the next one. So you will create this one now. It's the layout script. This too is a big one. Let me find it, the whole thing. Yeah. Okay, almost there, I think. Here. Okay, in order not for this to happen again, I will just create a new file, a new text editor, and show it on the text editor itself. It's quite big, that's why I don't want to do it. As you can see, I will zoom out, zoom in, sorry. It's somewhat a big script. Okay. I will give you a few seconds here, like first screen, and then I will move to the second screen. It's like, okay, I think now. And this is it, the second part. You can see the lines of the file of the editor, so you can know where to stop and where to continue. Okay. This is the other script, and let's go to the third one, which is this. Okay, the hot corners. Once again, let's find it, all of it. Okay, once again I will open and let's zoom in. Okay, this is the first part. This is smaller than the previous one, of course, and this is the end of it. As I said, much smaller. After you will do these things in the terminal, like always, Control O, Enter, Control X. And I think this is the last one, the last script. Okay, once again, and this is, as you can see, just one shot, one page, nothing, it's not too big, it's normal, I guess. And yeah, this was it basically. And now we have to take care of the permissions of all those things. You can do this line for the first two, and then this line for the other two, like this. Okay, and after you will do all these things, even if you will not do it today or some other day manually, all this labor, all this work, don't worry, I will give eventually everything written for you, just like I did for the MacBook Air 2012 and Endeavor OS. I will do the same thing for MacBook Pro 2012 and Void Linux. So no need to stress yourself about like doing it today. And yeah, this was it basically. After you will do all those things, preferably in the terminal, I say, you just relog, or even better, restart your system, and you are done. And this way you will have all these capabilities like Exposé. Let me do some tricks here. Let me open a few apps. I'm moving stuff around in order for you to check out how it will work, the thing. So if I'll move the cursor on the top right corner or bottom right corner, basically I'm getting this Exposé trick displaying all the windows, and I select the window that I prefer. Okay, and if I press the key bind, because I've made it into the key bind, same thing. As you can see, it's very fast, very quick. It's like no problem with these machines and these operating systems, both Endeavour OS and both Void Linux. No, again the same mistake. Both Endeavour OS and Void Linux, one running on MacBook Air 2012 and the other running on MacBook Pro 2012, you will have no issues whatsoever. 5-10 apps open, streaming or recording locally, no problem whatsoever. Keybind, Exposé, mouse on the corner, Exposé, no problem. It will breathe new life to these old machines. And the other trick with the mouse corner, with the hot corner, is bottom left corner. You get the screenshot, which I also have it on a keybind, just like Exposé. And last but not least, on the top left corner, I don't want to do this because I'm not sure if the stream will stop or something. You basically getting the screensaver running. So yeah, this was it. Let's not waste any more time. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you on the next one. Bye!